এসো হে বৈশাখ এসো 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 হে বৈশাখ এসো এসো তাপস নিঃশ্বাস
Assalamu alaikum everyone, this is me Sharman Shuma and welcome to my channel. Today I'm gonna show you this beautiful makeup look which I created for upcoming Bengali New Year Pôhela Boishakh. This is my first video. I'm gonna do more video for Pôhela Boishakh. My next video will be fully traditional with red and white sari and lots of jewelry. And if you like my hairstyle, then there is another video of this snake bun hairstyle. Now it is everyone is doing this snake bun, mostly the Bollywood stars, so I thought why not me. This hairstyle will look absolutely stunning with this Boishakhi look. The link will be given to the description box and also the first comment of this video. And you can also see this video right now by clicking the link right hand corner on the screen showing right now. Now let's start today's video. Starting with priming my face with the W7 Porefection Pore Minimizer Primer, and I'm applying it targeting the place where I have pore problem, mostly my cheeks and nose, and then I'm blending it all over my face. For foundation, today I'm using REVLON Colorstay 24 hours foundation and my shade is golden beige. I'm applying it dotting all over my face, but if you have dark circle, dark spots, then you have to do color correcting first and then use the foundation. Okay, let me show you how to do it. For color correcting you need a orange color concealer. Here I'm using LA Girl orange concealer. First I'm shaking it well and after that I'm using it under my eyes. If you have dark circle, then you have to apply it under your eyes to cover it up, and also where you have dark spots and moles. I also apply it on my moles when I do the full coverage makeup. After applying it, you have to blend it well. I am blending it with my fingers, and then I will use a face powder. It's the RIMMEL Stay face powder. You can use face powder, press powder, loose powder, whatever you like to set it. And then you have to use your foundation. After color correcting, you have to do your foundation. So first we have to use our primer, face primer, then we will do color correcting if we have dark circle, dark spots, and then we will use our foundation. Next I'm using this MUA Eyebrow Kit Dark for drawing my eyebrow. First I'm going to use this cream. This is the white Vaseline type cream. First I'm applying it on my eyebrow, and now I'm combing my eyebrow with a spoolie. After that I'm going to use this dark brown color shade, and I'm starting with the inner corner of my eyebrow. After drawing my eyebrow, now I am blending it with a spoolie, and don't worry if it gets messy. We can clean it up by using concealer. Here I am using LA Girl color concealer Porcelain, and I'm applying it on my eyes to clean the edges and messiness of my eyebrow. After applying it, now I'm blending it with my finger, and then I'm blending it with the damp beauty blender. You have to be careful when you blend it with the beauty blender. To highlighting my face, I'm using Lasting Perfection concealer and my shade is light, and I'm applying it under my eyes, base of my nose, on my forehead, and now I'm blending it with the damp beauty blender. Take your time and blend it very well. And I'm also applying this concealer on my eyelid. It will help my eyes to stay eyeshadow much longer. To set my foundation and concealer, now I'm using RIMMEL Stay Press Powder. My shade is transparent. For eye makeup, I'm using Focallure eyeshadow palette Twilight. From this palette, I'm taking this brown color shadow named Amber, and I'm applying it with a Real Technique brush. It is a base shadow brush from Real Technique. With this brush, I'm applying this brown color shadow on my eye crease area, and also I'm gonna apply it outer corner of my eyelid. Always apply your eyeshadow little by little and then blend it well. Next, I'm taking this maroon type of color named Rose Valley, and I'm using a brush from Zoeva 234 Smoky Shadow. With this brush, I'm applying this eyeshadow inner corner and outer corner of my eyelid, and then I'm going to join it up in my eye crease. First, I'm applying it dabbing motion, and then I'm going to blend it out with the first eyeshadow brush from the Real Technique base shadow brush. With this first brush, I'm now blending it. Blend it well so there is no harsh line. Next, I'm going to use this black color shadow named Chili, and I'm using Zoeva pencil brush now, using a little bit small brush from the second brush. I'm applying this black eyeshadow same way, inner corner and outer corner of my eyelid, and then joint it on my eye crease. And then again, I'm blending it out with the Real Technique base shadow brush. I'm also applying this eyeshadow on my lower lash line, only the half. It's the mixture of these two eyeshadow, Chili and Rose Valley. Now I'm applying concealer on my eyelid. After applying it little bit, now I am just looking upwards so that I can indicate where I have to draw my concealer. I have hooded eye, so that's why I did this. It is a beautiful trick for hooded eyes. Okay, now I'm going to use this shimmery maroon color shadow named Ruby on this middle area. I'm applying it with my finger. It's better to apply this kind of eyeshadow with your finger. And now with my finger, I'm just blending the joint area of these two eyeshadow. And then again, I'm using that maroon matte color shadow named Rose Valley, and then again I'm using black color shadow named Chili. Just blend it well so there is no harsh line, and that's it. Okay, now I'm going to use some glitter. This is a maroon glitter. It's totally optional. If you don't like to use glitter, don't use it, but I'm going to use it. I'm applying it with my finger, only the middle. Okay, now I'm going to use kajal. It's the Lakme Eyconic kajal, 24 hours. First I apply it on my waterline, and now I'm applying it on my tight line. Then I'm drawing a thin line on my lower lash line, only the half. And with the same kajal, Lakme kajal, I'm lining my upper eyelash line. I'm drawing a wings line with this kajal, and then I'm going to smudge it. It's the Real Technique Accent brush With this brush, I'm smudging the kajal to make a smoky effect. It will give a beautiful smoky effect to my eyes. After smudging it, then I'm going to use a black eyeshadow. I'm applying it top of this black kajal so that it looks more smoky and it will last longer. Cleaning my under eye area with some face powder. To highlighting my brown area and inner corner of my eyes, I am using a golden color shadow. Golden color eyeshadow is from Plumar. Time for using mascara, and for mascara I am using Jordana mascara black. I am using lots of mascara on my lower and upper lashes. I am going to use falsie later. Now I am going to contour my face. To contour my face I am using Minister Define and Contour Kit, and I'm gonna apply it with the Zoeva brush 109 luxury face paint brush.
বৈশাখ এসো এসো তাপসনী
After applying it, you have to blend your contouring very well.
এসো হে বৈশাখ এসো এসো
I'm also blending it with damp beauty blender so there is no harsh line. Now from this Makeup Revolution palette Golden Sugar, I'm going to use this gold color shadow as a bronzer.
এসো হে
Contouring my nose with the same contour kit, and I'm using a eyeshadow brush to contour my nose.
বৈশাখ এসো এসো যাক পুরাতো
For blush on, I'm using this Jordana blush on 17 Rosy. This is a beautiful pink color blush on. Look how beautiful it's looking on my cheeks. Next, I'm going to use highlighter from the same palette, Golden Sugar from Makeup Revolution. I'm using that gold color as my highlighter. Look how shiny my face is looking right now. And I'm applying it highest point of my face. Now it's time for applying my lipstick. I'm using this Jordana lipstick 28 natural. This is the color. It's a peachy color, nude peachy color. If you want, you can use red color too with this eyeshadow, with this makeup look. It also look good if you wear red lipstick. After applying lipstick, I just draw my lip with the lip liner from Jordana brown. And now I'm going to wear my false eyelashes. It's from Red Cherry. It made from 100% human hair, and the lash glue I'm using is the lash adhesive. I wear my false lashes. Now I'm going to wait for 1 to 2 minutes until my lash glue dry. Now to fix the makeup all day long, I'm using this makeup setting spray from Makeup Revolution. It's good for oily skin. I'm wearing my bindi or tip, and now you can to see my final look. This is my final look. I wear my sari and jewelry. I wear red sari, but you can wear any color of sari with this makeup look. White and red color sari will be look good with this makeup look too. I hope you like this video, and if you like this video, then please give a like and share this video with your friends and family. And if you didn't subscribe yet my channel, then please subscribe. It will help me to grow. And before saying bye to all my viewers and subscribers, I like to wish once again a very advanced happy new year to all my loves, all my friends. Thank you so much for watching this video. সবাইকে নতুন বছরের অনেক প্রীতি এবং শুভেচ্ছা। See you in my next video. Till then, take care. Bye. Allah Hafiz. শুভ নববর্ষ।
মিলাপ যাক যাক এসো